tones. I usually do the low tone. So when you know
I
you say
love to go wandering
coming up,
upon the. Hi there, how are you? Ames is shopping. Ah,
yeah,
I used to
right.
go around driving me crazy. Yes, true. I used to go shopping with my wife because just to carry all the bags. So I had to go
Yeah,
shopping with her. But then I used to get so bored, so bored.
yeah, boring.
So so soon what I started doing, I will sit outside the shop. You go in and buy whatever you want. And when the time came, you just call me to carry the bags. I will come in and carry the bags. So I was only bag collector. I would sit outside somewhere and let her go into any shop she wants. Take your time, I used to say, no problem. So then that's a good way to escape. Yeah. And you know what? She will see something.
What's so
She will
funny
see
about
something in
this?
one. No, my wife. No, she will see something in a shop. Okay. Oh, this is very pretty. That is nice and all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So buy it. No, 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 no. I will go to other shops and see. And then she'll go to all the other shops and all. And then after she'll not find anything, say, that first shop was very nice. I'll go back to the first shop. And when she comes back, it's not available anymore. Like her size or whatever she wanted, it's not available. Somebody has bought it. So after that, I used to tell her. That's why my thing is buy it from the first shop. But no. Oh yeah, so I developed this. Just sit outside the shop. You buy, I'll come and carry your bags for you. So the bag, I'm only carrying bags and bags and bags around the whole mall.
Married Filipino
So
crazy.
yeah, sometimes in case she buys too much, the bags will becoming too much for me to carry. So quickly I'll tell her, okay, just take your time. I'm just coming back. Quickly I'll run down to the car park, put all the bags into the car park, lock the car, and come up again. Where are the bags? I went and kept it in the car. Oh, okay. There was a shop. There's a branded shop called Forever 21. You know, so that was a famous shop for going and buying any stuff. Forever 21, she would always go to buy. Even later on in Canada, when we went, there was Forever 21 there. So she would also buy Forever 21. One day I told her, I said, Marie, come on, there's a new store in town. Why don't you come and go and see and buy something from there? She said, yeah, really? I said, yeah. She, what's the name of the store? I said, it's called Forever 14. She said, no, 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 you're joking with me. I said, no, no, no. It's called Forever 14. Let's go. You can buy something from that shop. So quickly, I took her to the mall and all that. And then searching, I said, I saw the shop here. Just ask at the reception. So she went and asked at the reception, ma'am, where is this Forever 14 shop? Forever 14, there we don't have any shop Forever 14. It's only Forever 21. She almost hammered me in the mall only. She said, I knew you were joking with me, but when you acted so serious, so I said, okay, maybe let's go and see. Forever 14. Because in Dubai also, every time Forever 21. Came to Canada again, Forever 21. And after some time, she started shopping in other places also.
Yeah, right.
Every
So
week, I have to take her on the wheelchair. I have to take her every week.
just like me.
One week she do manicure and pedicure. Another week she will do some hair trimming or something like that, with the eyebrows and all that. So every week, something or the other she did.
Okay.
And of course,
Just
buying clothes was buying clothes was every week.
yeah. Have
You know,
Watson's here, but I go to the Polong to buy something from Watson's.
yeah, but like I used to tell her, I said, okay, listen, there's no place in your wardrobe, and we had a walk-in wardrobe. Okay, in Canada we had a walk-in wardrobe, so you could keep. But of course, one side was my things, but then some of her things started coming into my place also. So I told her, I said, why don't you just, what you do? We start one new scheme. You, whenever you want to buy something new, you have to throw something old out. She think, no, 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 all my clothes are still good condition. I said, naturally they are good condition because if you wear something today, you'll wear it only after 1 year, you will wear that same thing again because you have so
Yeah.
many clothes.
I was so surprised. I was so surprised wearing the white blouse.